So we're putting some flooring down. I thought I'd show you. So this is the flooring we pulled up. So we salvaged. So the first thing I do is put it down. I don't want any of the joints to match. So we want to offset all the joints. Tap in. And then mark it. So I already did these 3 holes just to save some time. So we mark it. Now we'll go over here and drill, pre-drill. I'm using the electric because this is hard wood to drill. And notice I kept bringing it in and out, and that's because there's not much space here for the sawdust to build up, so you need to let it get away. Then we go over here and we want to take off the edge that forms around the hole. And any loose stuff on the back. Then we want to make sure this is cleared out here. So if there's any dirt in there, we want that out of there. That's from the old, what it was in the gym. And this one did have quite a bit of dirt. There's no sense of leaving that in there. That's years of buildup. Okay. Oh, here's another thing I should point out. Any dirt, blow it out. So here we have, the way we're doing this, these boards are just laid down, so we need to tie this all together. So I wanted to screw into here, to here, to here, and to here. That way it ties all of them together. Now in this case, you see it's rocking a little bit. So right here we have a little high point. So I'm going to grab my rasp and take a little bit off of that. Like that. And the reason you want to do this is, if it starts, well, I'll show you. Let me move some here. We're still getting a little rock, so right in here, I need to take a little bit more off. And round off my edge again. It's good. So the problem is, if you leave that in there, what happens is then it's stuck up a little bit, or it's out a little bit here. So then when you go to your next row, you have that issue and it amplifies itself. So a little bit here can cause a big variation up there. So now we're just going to put our screws in. Now the key thing here is you don't want to screw it too hard, because we're going into pine. So we want to go snug. Make sure they're nice and snug, but we don't want to strip them either. So you really don't need a real powerful drill when you're going into pine. So there we go. One down.